So today, instead of doing full chords, we are going to be way shrinking our range down to simple intervals. You know how we've been working on seconds and thirds? And we've been practicing directionality with that too. That's a second going up. That's a third going down. Well, this is going to be an increased difficulty of kind of a similar thing, but it's going to be connected to our major and minor chords as well. How is that? Okay, so we are going to be discerning two different types of intervals. We're going to be doing two different types of thirds. So up till now, we've just been doing skips and thirds as kind of one blob. But there's actually two different types of thirds. And again, this is going to connect to our chords because we can have major thirds, kind of like if they're the building blocks of, let's say, a major chord. Or we can have a minor third, let's say as a building block to a minor chord. Now, this gets quite difficult for a lot of people to discern, so I want to shrink down what we're going to be mixing this up with. All I want to do is major and minor thirds going up. Okay, so all of the following examples I'm going to be giving you are ascending intervals. This is, again, to just reduce so we only have two choices, two options. Once we start doing up and down intervals, you're going to have four options. Is it minor up or major up, or is it minor down and major down? So we're only going to be doing ups again. It's just reducing the amount of choice we have so we can work on this one specific skill. Now, one thing I'll give you for the ascending intervals, I will not give you anything like this for the descending intervals, is a song to attach to the tone. You can have your own, but these are the ones that I would suggest and the ones that I think are easy to attach. If you hear a major third, it sounds like the beginning of When the Saints Go Marching In. Oh, when the saints. We have that opening movement of Oh, when the saints go marching in. And when you hear a minor third interval, it sounds like the beginning of Green Sleeves, or if you know the kind of Christmas version, What child is this? So, Oh, when the saints, oh, when the saints, or what child is this? So what I'm going to recommend to you when I do these intervals is for you to use your own voice and try to see what it sounds like if you're singing it. Does it sound more like, oh, what child is this? Or does this sound more like When the Saints Go Marching In? Okay? Again, I want to say these aren't particularly easy. So do your best and let's get started. This is a minor third. We can hear, what child? Okay. That's a major third because we can hear, oh, when the saints. I'm going to move a little faster now. That's a major third. That's a major third too. Minor third. Major third. Major third. Minor third. major third. And last one. That's a minor third. How did that go for you? We'll be doing, there's more where this came from. Again, this is a little bit difficult for some people, especially compared to just doing the major and minor chords. So keep practicing. Again, you can always come back to this series in another month once you've forgotten everything.